The atmosphere of Earth. Look good to me today. Something is heading towards Earth, look. It's going to crash in Snowland.
It's so lovely out here.
Look. Snow Excavator Hero is helping us.
He is very strong.
What is this? Who are you?
I am Fire Devil. I am here to destroy you all.
Don't kill us. Snow Excavator, dear, help us.
No one can save you. I am not alone.
Come here, you fire devils.
Leave now, animal, or I will burn you.
You can try come here and feel the horns. Let's get to work.
Oh yeah!
Welcome to the training. Let's start the training.
Swipe the screen to move camera. Use this button to open weapons inventory and select weapon. Press to select this weapon. Press to shoot bullets.
Press to perform water attack. Press this button to fire missile. Press to perform roar lava attack.
Use this button to perform a lightning attack. Use this button to perform ground smash.
Press to perform tornado attack. Press to perform run smash attack. Press to perform wind attack. Press this button to perform. Press this button to perform a traction attack. Press this button to perform sword attack.
Press this button to perform fire rain attack. Press this button to perform blue blaze attack.
Use this button to transform into drivable state. Take aim and shoot from this button.
Press this button to change music.
Press button to transform to stag. Press to shoot bullets.
Press to transform into snake. Press to perform snake attack. Press to perform poison attack. Press to perform sprint.
Use this button to transform into flying state.
Use joystick to move dragon.
Press to turn left. Press to turn right. Press to move upward. Press to move downward. Press to transform into eagle.
Press button to transform into a robot. Click to open full screen map. Press this button to go back. You have completed your training.
Collect cash through ATM. Recharge energy and ammo. Defeat mobsters and earn reward. Increase power and health. Transform into different cars. Fight with wrestler and earn coins. We need to upgrade our inventory to overcome crime in the city. Now you have the cash to buy next generation weapons. Let's proceed to shop to acquire new weapons and add it our inventory. Press to open shop. Press to select weapon category. Press to select weapon. Press to buy weapon. Item unlocked successfully. Press to go back to gameplay.
Complete all the missions and save the city. Get ready for the next mission.
I will kill you all.
Soldier, attack him.
I have said you I will kill you all.
Target eliminated.
Mission accomplished successfully.
Congratulations! You have earned 1,000 coins.
Get ready for the next mission. Click to open full screen map.
Press to select quest. Press start button to start quest. There are some thugs attacking the cars. Eliminate them.
Mission accomplished successfully.
Congratulations! You have earned 1,000 coins.
Get ready for the next mission.
Press start button to there are some thugs attacking the cars. Eliminate them.
Nice work.
Mission accomplished successfully.
Congratulations!